Deleting emails. We can delete mails whenever required. To delete an email, step 1. Select the email by clicking on the checkbox at the left of the email. Step 2. Click the delete button. All the deleted emails move to trash. We can restore the deleted emails from trash box before 30 days. To restore a deleted email, step 1. On the left pane, click More Labels. Step 2. Choose Trash option. A new screen appears. Step 3. Select the email you want to restore and right-click on it. A pop-up menu appears. Step 4. Select More to Inbox option from the list to restore your email back-to-back inbox. Closing the mailbox. Once finished working with your email account, it is important to sign out from your account and close the mailbox to avoid its misuse by anyone else. Step 1. Click on Google account button on the right corner of the window. Step 2. Click on Sign Out option to close your account and get back to the Gmail home page.